It's Jackal time. All right, so we have the Motive EXJ Jackal. We're rolling this tonight. First time rolling this tonight. And we'll see what this bad boy can do. Well, hey everybody, this is the ball pool here. If you don't know, I do one game rolls here. Bam. So, trying to get through all my balls and do a review on all of them. I think I have about 5 or 6 left. I got a couple new ones that videos will be posting this week and next week. And we're dealing with post-league lane conditions, so a little dry out there. Trying to make this ball work. Oh. Shifty, 7-pin. All right, I got my trusty Storm mix for my spare ball. All right. So ball's getting a little dirty. This house has light oil, so the ball shouldn't get too dirty. Bam. All right. Remember, kick that leg out. Let me know if you grabbed the EXJ Jackal. And if you rolled it up and rolled with it yet, and let me know how you like it. I think it's going to be pretty good on fresh oil here. Maybe second game ball, maybe. But here at Napa, pretty light oil, so I could probably get away with doing game 1 with this. Maybe. All right, this thing's becoming a strike monster here. Although I think I'm tingling the pins back there. Come on, pins. So the strings are a little wonky tonight. They're having trouble. This EXJ Jackal is just a little too strong for them. It's kicking their butt. All right, stand on 25. Not too shabby. So we got a 4-bagger going right now. See if I can keep it up. 7th frame. All right, 25, 26. Bam.
Check ball 23, 24.
Oh, looking pretty good. I think I'm sold on this ball. I like it already. And I've got a crazy layout as well too, so it just goes to show that layouts are really about 10% of the ball shape from what I found out. I couldn't even imagine drilling this thing stronger than I did. Holy moly. got lucky. So lucky on that one. Alright. Got the good old mix. I love my mix. And hopefully this thing won't crack for a long time. When you want the ball to go straight, folks, you trust in the Storm mix to do the job for you. All right, we are standing 27. All right, 10th frame, we're looking pretty good here. So I've been on a motive spree lately. I got this one, I got the Evoke Hysteria, and I got the motive Theorem Hybrid. So within the last month. And I'm really liking the motives so far. Motives are my #1 ball. As far as my collection goes, I have 35 balls. And I think I have now 8 or 9 motives. All right, we're standing 28. Come on, come back. Ah, damn. So it took it out a little bit too far to the right. And a little slow at 13 mile an hour. And it didn't have enough oomph to come back. There we go. All right, my other white ball is a Rhino Ivory Pro, but I have to say this one's a lot cooler looking with the gray swirls. All right, last one here, standing 25. Bam! All right. So that, folks, would be a 239. Motive EXJ Jackal. Not too shabby of a ball. I like it. All right. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, give me a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you got the EXJ Jackal. And until next time, see you guys on the lanes. Thanks for watching.